Alright, for this rotor, you will need, right here, 10s. I had quite a bit. So for replacing the rotor, it's just 10 and 10. And you're just going to, I've had quite a bit. You know what, we're going to make this quick and easy then. Like the ex-wife. Oh my god. Surprise. So, gonna break loose. Which one was it? It's this one, right? Doesn't matter. When you're replacing your rotor, be quick about it, I suppose. But all these guys, all your old ones that are probably rusty or old, I suggest going with one of Bolt's kits. You can't see it because of the reflection. But Bolt, take good care of you. Your engine hardware, your fucking body hardware, whatever, these guys got you. Just my new Frisbee. Just kidding. I'm gonna throw that in my garage. Your front rotor, you want all the letters facing the outside. I'm running EBC. I love EBC. I wouldn't recommend anybody else for your brakes at all. Get it all lined up, get it all set up, and the wave should go with rotation. Not against, with rotation. And I'm replacing all my hardware with a Bolt kit. Anytime I do any kind of sprocket, rotor replacement, I always run with Bolt to replace my hardware. These guys have always done a great job. Looks like I'm going to have to start them in a different way. Flange nuts. Upper edge facing out. Ooh. Tolerances are too tight with the Bikea spoke wraps. So it looks like we're going to have to do, open end compared to box end. Oh, this might take a while. Oh, it's not even going to go like that. So, dude, spoke wraps. Yeesh. Spoke wraps are becoming an issue all of a sudden. I don't even feel it, yeah. See, it's not even going in. Ooh, spoke wraps have turned this into a pain in the ass job. So now we're going entirely off of feel. Why have to use their nuts? There you go. Nope. 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 Holy shit. This is going to be a bitch. Come on. It's probably because it doesn't go far enough beyond. So spoke wraps will be a problem. A big fucking problem. Come on, you piece of shit. It isn't even going to line up. Look, I'm trying to force it into place. It's not going to line up. So if you have a flange nut, apparently that isn't going to work. Oh, don't trip over your fucking drain pan. Whereas this guy, that guy's going to work. It's still a nylock nut. And it works. So if you have spoke wraps on your wheels, a flanged nut is not going to work apparently. So you have to find a nylock nut that will give you the clearance necessary. Okay, I dropped quite a few and I don't see any. Is that one? That's one. Alright, I got half of them. Oh, there's another one. Alright. I might have to pause this for a second and I'm going to go find the rest of my non-flange style nylock nuts. Oh, fantastic. Great. Alright, we got them all set up. Half of them are going to be a bitch if you have spoke wraps. If you don't, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. I had to kind of roll the spoke wraps out of the way to be able to get the nuts on. I'm using the wrong tools. But yeah, FYI. I don't know if it's just a KKE thing. It might be Honda, period. And then I'm just going to go a little more and then put some on the nut. Fuck, I can make this a many different videos. But you always want to put your final torque on the nuts. Always. That one's for the ladies. Just for reassurance, the little cradle. cup deal. There you go. Bam! Rotor installed. Alright, so we're doing a brake pad change. I'm also doing a rotor in this video. It'll be after this. The new rotor's also already on. But front brake pad change. I already have my caliper off. If you are going to have to have it off. You got a little flathead screw here that you need to break free to be able to get to the pin, which is an Allen. And I couldn't remember if it was a 5 or a 6. Is it? Please tell me it's a 6. God damn it, my 5's somewhere. I gotta find my 5. Where's my 5? No? There it is. I found it. Buried under the rest of the tools. I'm gonna have to clean up these tools now. Oh, for fuck's sake. Screw it. Oh my god, it's out. Yeah, I'm definitely putting my tools away when I'm done with this. So, this pin in here, a little 5mm Allen off in yonder. Oh, whoops. Right there. Brake pads fall right out. Alright, so you have your pistons in here. These 2 pistons. I would take an old brake pad, set it up in there. Should have done this before I took it apart. But anyways, you take an old brake pad. Where's the other one? Set it in there, and if you're replacing pads, you can go ahead and, god damn it, you can go ahead and use like your handy dandy flathead pry bar / chisel tool and spread them too. But I got this fancy park tool, man, say that 7 times fast. And all I'm doing is pushing both calipers down as flush as I can with the body, which they are very, very flush. Hard to tell, but they are, I promise. So now, new pads, going with EBC. Love these guys for brake pads, even clutches. I use their Dirt Rider clutch with my Wiseco pressure plate, hub, and basket, and it does really good. But you want this surface facing up on the piston side like a so, and then your other side go right in on top of it. And now a little 5mm pin. No lube necessary. You shouldn't have to lube these. Oh, I went the wrong way. Okay, got it started. And since I have spread the pistons, I have a decent gap with my pad so I can install without any problems. So let's finish screwing around right here real quick. Any day now. Snug, and then a little more. Our little cap cover is next. Oops. And just a tiny bit more after seated. And now we'll go ahead and install. Just spread the pads. Get it started on one side or the other. Get it lined up with your bolt holes, or at least one of them. Get it started. Next one. I'm gonna damn near finger those all the ways on. Should have just ran an impact. There you go. Installed. Now, whenever you do this, since this is front, you're going to have to come up here to the lever. Oh, it goes all the way to the bar. Oh my god, it keeps going all the way to the bar. Just keeps going. Oh, now we have pressure. Now we're braking. If you don't do that and you go to take off on your bike, you're probably going to have a bad time. There you go. That is your front brake pad and rotor replacement. Like I said, I always recommend replacing your mounting bolts for your rotor anytime you do it. Especially if you're not running one of these Hondas, you have like a Yamaha or something where it screws right into the hub. If you're not replacing those all the time or not taking them out, you get to do a lot of drilling. And you're just drilling the head off doing extraction. Other than that, that's it. Simple and easy, just like the ex-wife. We'll catch you on the next one, guys.